Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Reality Is Where Words Do Come to Life. Well, this title is talking about Illinois Chicago criminal justice system. And I'm having this conversation because I had a talk with one of my relatives today, and we was talking about in our communities, a lot of parents and across this land and country are having conversations with their children about walking the street, um, wearing hoodies, conversations that you should not have with children because they need to live their life. They're kids. If you pulled over by the police, what you should do, whether you put your hands up, and as of late, we've seen it doesn't matter. Now, a lot of individuals are getting conceal and carry because that's been advertised to get conceal and carry, to make yourself legal, to get the insurance and everything that goes along with it. And a lot of men have gotten the conceal and carry, but I'm here to say, does really the conceal and carry work? For me and for what I've experienced, what we have experienced, it doesn't. You can have a conceal and carry and they still hold you for a long period of time. And so it kind of sounds like a two-edged sword. So, in a sense, you want people to register their firearms. You want them to go through all the proper protocols. But then, when something transpires, the person is already prejudged, and you knowing that they have the conceal and carry, but yet and still you hold them without a bond, and then you label the individual as being a threat to society when they have no criminal record whatsoever. And how do you justify this? How do you make sense of this? So we came to the conclusion today, and this is our opinion, but it shows to be true. It depends on the color of your skin, whether the conceal and carry would make a difference or not. And so the question I'm asking today of those who pushes conceal and carry classes, who pushes conceal and carry insurance, what is the purpose? If you conceal and you carry and it has no weight, because bottom line, if I feel like my life is being threatened, then I'm going to defend my life at all costs because I want to go home to my family. But now, because of what we've seen played out over and over before our very eyes, everything is based upon the color of your skin. So are we really being fair or are we not? We're really not being fair. We're not. Because the scales, what white folks do can get away with, they get a slap on the wrist. No black or brown person can do that and get a slap on the wrist. There are people sitting inside a Cook County jail that's been sitting there forever and a day. And finally, you have decided to push some things up in the court, but you're still stalling the process. You're still stalling the process. And this is where the problem lies. And then you all try to convince us that you're being fair, you're being upfront, transparent, honest. And that is not the case. It's not being played out. And then here what gets me, I got an email today. You want to send me these emails to my sign our state's attorney birthday card. I'm not signing shit. I'm not. Everybody get a birthday. What I want y'all to do is do your damn jobs. That's what I want you to do. From the judge to the senator to the congressman to the mayor to the governor to the state representative to the state's attorney to the chief judge to the judges to the public defenders. Do your jobs. That's what you do. Don't send me no emails talking about signing no damn birthday card because I'm not signing nothing. To our Cook County Board President, not signing your card neither. I don't want your doggone cards. I want you to do your damn jobs. That's what I want you to do. How about we fix what is broken and only broken for the black and brown individuals? How about that? I know I've been gone for a minute, but I need to regroup. But I'm back. I am back and I'm here to stay. And so if you're going to push conceal and carry, then you better make sure that when you pull up that individual had conceal and carry, you better consider all aspects of it before you put labels and you judge people who's walking around here with the proper documentation. Because right now, that can be a thorn in your side. And I know you know what I'm talking about. because conceal and carry, the classes were taken, the insurance was paid, and yet and still you held, you denied, and you did not listen. And again, I'm not understanding how a judge can deny or honor a bond when you have no proof of what's being told. So to me, what you're saying is the state case is more important than the truth. And they have bits and pieces at the time they're standing before the judges. They don't have all the story. But again, can somebody help me and answer this question? Why do it take so long to get all the files? It didn't take that long. It don't take that long to let the Kyle Rittenhouse walk. It didn't take that long to get him bond, $2 million. And that was caught on video. Everybody saw that. And this is why we have the problem. And this is where the disconnect lies. And again, MacArthur Foundation, sponsoring criminal reform, I still have yet to see any evidence of criminal reform. Somebody help me out, because I'm not understanding. I'm just not. Let me know. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Let's talk about it. That's what we're here for. Ain't no sense to sugarcoat it. We're going to talk about this. All right. Well, that completes another episode of Reality Is, where words do come to life. I hope that you have enjoyed the conversation that we talked about. Please leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you too can know when I upload other videos. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Until we talk again.